Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. Some of them are really surprising, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%. These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.